Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will be reviewing my favorite sub $50 ratcheting wrench, which is the Crescent half-inch drive 72 tooth quick release flex head teardrop ratchet in the 12-inch size. Now, this ratchet is below $50. It actually goes for $33 these days on Amazon. Here's the original listing. Initially, it was $37.99, but now it's $33.24. And let's just quickly go over some of the specs on this ratchet. So this is also a screenshot from the page. It's of course a Crescent brand ratchet, alloy steel. Those are the dimensions. It's 0.8 kilograms, aka around 1.76 pounds. And these are some of the details of it. So it's a 70 tooth ratchet with a 5-degree arc swing. It's got a flex head, teardrop style design, chrome vanadium steel, and it meets ASME specifications as well. So this has quickly become my favorite ratchet. My original go-to half-inch was this thing, which is the Cobalt 90 tooth ratchet. And it's got more teeth, but it never did sound or feel the best. Now this came with that large set that I got. I also did a review on it. You can find that review up here, that entire set. This came in that set, 256 piece Cobalt set, and it served me really well, and it still works just fine. But as you can hear, it's not the most satisfying to use, and it's really loud and rough, but hey, it's a budget ratchet. What do you expect? You're not going to expect the best quality, but it still gets the job done really well. But I thought I needed a flex head, and I needed just to give myself a bit of an upgrade here, so I went for this thing. I cannot justify spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on expensive ratchets, so I was looking for the best price to quality that I can find, and I do trust Crescent. I like the brand, and none of my Crescent tools have failed me in the past. So I thought okay, Crescent is not known for their ratchets. They're known for their adjustable wrenches. Adjustable wrenches are generically known as Crescent wrenches because Crescent made them the first. They technically invented or had the patent rights to the adjustable wrenches over 100 years ago or something like that. So they're known for adjustable wrenches, not ratchets. But I thought, you know what, let's give them a try at that price range, and I was not disappointed. This thing is amazing. It feels good, it sounds good, it's built really well. The build quality is not something that I can entirely convey to you over the camera, but I hope throughout this video you understand what I mean. So first of all, let's talk about the build quality. So a really solid chrome vanadium steel. It's got the polish to it and all of that. It feels really nice. It's got this textured grip over here for your thumb to hold on like that, and it's got a bit of a bump or handle at the back there so your hand doesn't slip off. It's not the best grip in the world, but I haven't had my hand slip off it since using it for about a week and a half, or about 2 weeks at this point, and I really love it. Now let's talk about the flex head mechanism, and this is the best part. This even feels better than the ratcheting mechanism. I just like to mess with this when I'm bored. So let me stop talking so you can listen to it. Now, if you can't really hear that well on camera, I'm sorry, but that is definitely for 30-ish dollars. That's quality. That feels really good, and it's really solid. It doesn't want to just turn on itself without putting a considerable amount of force on it. So the flex head mechanism itself feels really good. It's got that ball over there that ratchet sort of on the gears like things there, and it feels really solid. It's got a bolt running through it with a hex on it, so you can take it off to service it or clean it if you want. But honestly, that feels really nice. I found myself messing with it without just using my head. I just mess with it when I'm bored. Now the ratcheting mechanism, as you can see, it's got the release as well on the catch there, or the lock, or whatever you want to call it. The spring mechanism also feels really nice, and it's not too springy, but it's not too loose either. And then the ratcheting mechanism, the selector, as you can see, that feels really nice too. It is plastic, but it's a good hard plastic, and you can feel the gear on the inside switching. Feels really nice. The ratcheting mechanism itself, I really, really like the way that sounds. So in comparison, let's bring the Cobalt, my previous go-to half-inch ratchet. Does not sound the best. And this, definitely smoother, more weight to it, if I may, and it definitely ratchets more easily than the Cobalt. I'm not saying that the Cobalt ratchet is bad. I loved that ratchet, but this is definitely an upgrade. It just ratchets so easily, and it definitely feels really good. Of course, feel is something that I cannot convey over the camera here, but this is something, if you're looking into a sub $50 ratchet with a flex head in the 12-inch size, you definitely got to check this thing out. I really, really love it. Got into some really tight spaces with this thing, and it did not have any problem breaking a hard to break nut while holding on to it, pushing up on it. Usually I'm working under a lot of machines, telehandlers, boom lifts, etc., and I've had to be upside down like this and reach into weird spots and undo a lot of bolts. And that weird ratcheting thing also from Crescent, the ratcheting adjustable flex head wrench, which I also did a review on, by the way. You can go check it out, it's on the channel. Here's a link to that video. That thing also came in handy in these weird positions, but this thing also was really, really fun to use, and I really love using this thing on the day-to-day. So yeah, that was my review of the Crescent sub $50 72-inch flex head ratchet in the half-inch size. My new favorite ratchet, and something that I'll definitely go to every single time I need to use it. A definite good buy in my opinion. Let me know down in the comment section if you own this or you're planning on getting it, and if you already own it, what's your experience with it? Let me know down in the comment section below. And as usual, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion, or I can answer your questions. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.